Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add audio spectrum in CapCut. Adding an audio spectrum or visualizer to your videos can be a creative and eye-catching way to enhance your content. CapCut, a popular video editing app, makes this process accessible and straightforward. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to bring your videos to life with a dynamic audio spectrum or visualizer. First, open the app to embark on this creative journey. Start a new project upon launching CapCut. Begin a new project. This will serve as the canvas where you will add the audio spectrum. Then, import your video. Tap the Add button, located at the bottom right of the screen, and select the video to which you want to add the audio spectrum or visualizer. Your chosen video will be imported and displayed on the project timeline. Then, add the audio spectrum sticker. Navigate to the text option situated at the bottom of the screen. From there, proceed to the stickers option, found at the bottom left. Now, find the audio spectrum sticker. Look for the distinctive bell icon. This is your portal to the audio spectrum or visualizer sticker. By tapping on the bell icon, you reveal the audio spectrum sticker and customize the audio spectrum or visualizer. Now that you've added the audio spectrum or visualizer sticker to your project, the creative fun begins. You can move it in anywhere within the video to achieve the desired visual effect. Rotate it to align with the video's content. Change its size to ensure it fits seamlessly with your video. Duplicate the sticker if you need multiple visualizer elements. And adjust its duration on the timeline by increasing or decreasing it according to your preferences. Now, after that, export your video. Once you are satisfied with how the audio spectrum or visualizer appears in your video and its placement, you can proceed to export your video. The export process is the same as the exporting any other video in CapCut, making it a familiar and hassle-free step. And that's all. CapCut doesn't provide an automatic beat sync feature, but you can manually align the visualizer with the music's rhythm. And CapCut may offer various visualizer styles in its sticker library. Depending on the available options, you may be able to adjust the colors of the visualizer to match your video's theme. And you can control the duration of the stickers on the timeline to make it appear and disappear at the desired moments. And you can duplicate the sticker and position it in multiple locations with the same video. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.